Hi, second graders. Today we're going to learn a little more about mapping. Yesterday we learned that a map helps us find our special place on this earth. And today we're going to find out how to get from one place to another using cardinal and intermediate directions. So let's start with our cardinal directions. These are the four main directions that you can travel on a map or in real life. We have them in Spanish and in English. So we have north or norte, east or este, south or sur, west, oeste. If you're looking at a flat map, north is always going to be at the top of the map, east will go to the right, south will go towards the bottom, and west will go towards the left. But it gets a little more confusing in real life because you have to find where the sun rises in the east or use a compass to help you find which direction is north so that everything else makes sense. Once you find north, you can turn 90 degrees and be facing east. You can turn the opposite way and be facing south. And then you can turn one more time and be facing west. So we'll do a little practice on here with a game, and then we'll do some practice with a real life game you can try with your family. Our intermediate directions are just the directions in the middle. So you see here where my arrow is, we have north, and then over here we have east. But sometimes you're not going exactly north or exactly east, you're going a little bit of both. We call that direction northeast. So we have northeast. It makes a compound word. If you're going partly south and partly east, somewhere in this middle range, we call that southeast. If you're going in between south and west, we call that direction southwest. And if you're going between north and west, we call that direction northwest. We always put the north or the south on the front when we have two directions and we're trying to describe the intermediate direction. So in Spanish, we have noreste, sureste, noroeste, and suroeste. Oh, those are all east. I'll have to fix those. Oh, no, they're right. All right, now let's play a game. I had to practice this game a little bit because it was a little tricky on the directions at first. But once I got the hang of it, it was pretty easy to do. It's just on a website called mathisfun.com. So it tells me that I need to follow the north, south, east, and west directions and then click on the destination. I was trying to click and move the smiley face and that did not work. I kept missing them. So first, I'm just going to use my mouse to track where I'm going. And when I get to my final destination, I'm going to tap the box and click and see if we got it right. So this tells me I need to go one step north. So here are my directions. And here is my compass rose just in case I forget which direction is north, east, south, or west. So one step north means my smiley face moves here. Now it says 7 steps east. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last step says go 2 steps north. 1, 2. Let's see if we got it right. Oh, we did. Nice job. Let's try one more together, and you could always try this on your own too. All right, here's my smiley face. 2 steps south. 1, 2. 6 steps east. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 step south. 1. Oh, we did it again. Nice work. All right, let's go back over and look at a way that you can practice. Maybe. There we go. With a compass. So some of you might actually have a compass at your house if you go camping or hiking a lot. A lot of people now download an app on their phone or they use a GPS system and you will have a compass built into those. They can help you find which direction is north so that you can figure out which way all of the other directions go. So here's a game that you can play at home just to practice these directions. So have an adult help you figure out either using a compass or maybe using the sun, because we know that the sun rises in the east each morning and it sets in the west. Figure out which direction is north at your house, and then you're going to go outside and practice. So you're going to choose a target. So something in your yard, it could be a tree, it could be the car or the garage or a special rock. So you're going to choose a target and then practice giving each other directions in order to reach the target, just like in the game. So you might say, okay, the target is that tree over there, and then you would give each other a direction. Walk 10 steps north, and then look and see where they are. And then you might need to tell them to go east. Okay, walk 6 steps east. And now maybe they need to go a little bit more north to reach the tree, and you would say, go 4 steps north. And if they go too far, that's okay. You just go ahead and tell them to turn around, or you can tell them to go east and then kind of go south and then turn west and make them go in a little circle until they're facing the right way again. So this is also some really good coding practice. So we can look at coding later on, but being able to give step-by-step directions is also practicing your math and coding skills. So good luck, and I hope you have fun practicing cardinal directions at your